How to see downloaded history on Google Play Store. Hello everyone, this is Max. Welcome back to another tutorial video. So let's start without wasting any time. Also make sure to watch this video till the end. So first of all, open up your Play Store on your device. Now wait for some time. Now once the application loads, tap on the profile at the top right corner. Now simply tap on Manage Apps and Devices. Now on this page, you can find two options, Overview and Manage. Now simply tap on Manage. Now tap on this device. Now select Not Install. Now on this page, you can find all of your downloaded history. Now to sort them, simply tap on Name and select Recently Updated. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. See you in the next video.